Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today we're going to talk about 2 innovative ways for you to engage customers in live conversation: empathy sessions and in-app community feedback. Both are online chat-based experiences, a hassle-free way for people to share what they think about a particular subject, so you can gain valuable insights. Let's take a look at what you can do, starting with empathy sessions. You can think of an empathy session as a virtual focus group. It is perfect for bringing a group of customers together to discuss a specific topic, such as a new feature or service. First, give your empathy session a name, add some details about the topic, and then enter the date and time the session will take place. Choose the multiple day option if you want to keep the discussion open for a longer period of time. This gives people the flexibility to drop in when it's most convenient for them. Now select the ideas in your portal that are relevant to the topic. Everyone who voted or commented on those ideas will be automatically added as contacts you can invite, and you can always manually add other people too. Then customize the look and feel of your empathy session. Add a theme colour and logo to match your brand. And tailor the invite and confirmation emails that your participants will receive. Now you are ready to schedule your session and invite your contacts to join you. A little preparation goes a long way towards hosting a successful discussion. Create a guide to plan out your agenda and define exactly what questions you want to ask. When you start the live session, the guide stays visible only to organisers, so you can keep the conversation focused. Now it's time to engage with your audience. Let's take a look at an empathy session that is already live, so you can see how it works. As an organiser, you can insert questions in the chat and respond to participants. Launch polls for quantitative insights. And share images to gather feedback on designs. What about how the experience looks from a participant's perspective? A friendly welcome message encourages people to join the conversation. Participants can add emojis and comment in threaded conversations to share their thoughts. Everyone has the opportunity to weigh in, so you can discover what people really think and feel. Once the session is ended, review the transcript to identify valuable learnings. You can star important messages and create related ideas. Use the Insights tab to summarise the main findings. Now the entire team can benefit from what you discovered. Earlier, I mentioned in-app community feedback. This is a powerful way to engage with customers when they are actively using your product. By embedding a feedback widget in your web application, you can ask questions in the context of your user's experience. To get started, your engineering team will add a one-time code snippet to your application. This gives you the flexibility to create and add widgets to any page of your product, right from within your AHA Ideas account. Your in-app widget is fully customizable, so you can ensure a consistent branding experience. Once your widget is in place, kick off the conversation and then review and respond to feedback as it comes in. Customers are able to participate in a lively community chat with your team and each other. Just as with empathy sessions, all of the feedback is stored in a transcript. This way, you can turn valuable customer insights into actionable ideas, so you can prioritise future improvements. We could all benefit from a bit more empathy, so go ahead and give empathy sessions and in-app community feedback a try. You will love how easily you can engage your customers in conversation. Need help? Use the question mark in your account to get your questions answered fast. Sign up for a free 30-day trial or join one of our live weekly demos. Our customer success team have deep product expertise and respond incredibly fast. We want to help you build exceptional relationships with your customers so you can build the right solutions to meet their needs. So what are you waiting for?